With the support of the Australian government, Skills for Inclusive Growth presents.
There are many potential threats to the security of a hotel. We will be making you aware about all of these threats in this series of programs. And in today's program, we're going to talk about the potential threat of an active shooter. Who is an active shooter? An active shooter is an individual who is actively engaged in killing or attempting to kill people in a confined and populated area. In most cases, active shooters use firearms and there is no pattern or method for their selection of victims. Active shooter situations are unpredictable and evolve quickly. Typically, the immediate deployment of law enforcement is required to stop the shooting and mitigate the harm to victims. Because the active shooter situations often over within 10 to 15 minutes, and before the law enforcement arrives at the scene, the individuals must be prepared mentally and physically to deal with an active shooter situation. Be aware of your environment and any possible danger. Take note of the two nearest exits in every part of the premises. If you are in an office, stay there and secure the door. If you are in a hallway, get into a room and secure the door. Only as a last resort, attempt to take the shooter down. When the shooter is at a closer range and you cannot flee, your chances of survival is much greater if you try to incapacitate him or her. Call law enforcement immediately. It is safe to do so. How to respond to an active shooter? Quickly determine the most reasonable way to protect your life. Guests are likely to follow the lead of employees and managers during an active shooter situation. Evacuate. If there is an accessible escape path, attempt to evacuate the premises. Be sure to have an escape route and plan in mind. Evacuate regardless others agree to follow or not. Leave your belongings behind. Help others escape if possible. Prevent individuals entering an area where the active shooter may be. Keep your hands visible. Follow the instructions of any police officer or any other law enforcement authority. Do not attempt to move wounded people. Call law enforcement immediately. It is safe to do so. Hideout. If evacuation is not possible, find your place to hide where the active shooter is less likely to find you. Your hiding place should be out of the active shooter's view. Protect if shots are fired in your direction. That is an office with a closed and a locked door. Do not trap yourself or restrict your options for movement. To prevent an active shooter entering your hiding place, lock the door. Blockade the door with heavy furniture. If the active shooter is nearby, silence your cell phone or pager. Turn off any source of noise, that is radio or television. Hide behind large items, that is cabinets or desks. Remain quiet. If evacuation and hiding out are not possible, remain calm. Call law enforcement. If possible, alert the police the shooter's location. If you cannot speak, leave the line. Open and allow the dispatcher to listen. Take action against the active shooter. As a last resort, when your life is in imminent danger, attempt to disrupt and incapacitate the active shooter by acting as aggressively as possible against him or her, throwing items and improvising weapons, yelling, committing to your actions. How to respond when the law enforcement arrives? Law enforcement's purpose is to stop the shooter as soon as possible. Officers usually arrive in teams of 4 or 5 and will proceed directly to the area where the shots were last heard. Remain calm and follow all law enforcement instructions immediately without questions. Officers may be from police force, army or any other tactical response units. They may be wearing their regular patrol uniforms, external bulletproof vests, Kevlar helmets or any other tactical equipment. Officers may be armed with weapons such as rifles, shotguns and handguns to control the situation. Officers may shout commands and push individuals to the ground for their safety. Officers may also use pepper spray or tear gas to control the situation. Put down any items in your hands, such as bags and jackets. Immediately raise hands and spread fingers. Keep hands visible at all times. Avoid pointing, yelling or screaming. Do not stop to ask officers for help or direction when evacuating. Just proceed in the direction where the officers are entering the premises. At a situation of an active shooter, you should provide the following information to the law enforcement or the emergency services phone operators. Location of the active shooter, number of shooters if there are more than one, physical description of shooters, number and types of weapons held by the shooters, and number of potential victims at the location. Once you reach a safe location or an assembly point, you will be held in that area by the law enforcement until the situation is under control and all witnesses have been identified and questioned. Do not try to leave that safe place or the assembly point unless the law enforcement authorities have instructed to do so.